What's up, guys? So another late night. 58-year-old Westy is in the Mobile Environmental Solutions portable booth, drying. Got the whole top painted, got the whole bottom painted. A couple of the guys are working on another vehicle tonight. They're getting some primer done in the booth. But I am getting ready to send our Carmagia home. This is a 67 Carmagia, full restoration. We've had it probably about 8-9 months. Maybe even a year, not sure. Did a lot of original stuff on this, so there was a lot of things that we had to do that were custom. And because it's been in the shop for a while, before we send it home, we want to clay bar it. We want to make sure that everything is off of it, everything is clean, no dirt, no dust, stuff that buffing won't get off, it doesn't need to be buffed again. So when we feel this side of the car, we can feel like when we drag the rag, you can see that well, you can't really see it, but the rag wants to stick. And on this side, it doesn't. So we're using a clay bar. It's basically a piece of clay with some quick detail. We make sure we get the quick detail all over the car. Then we take our clay bar and we rub the car, rub the paint, and you'll start to see this actually turn color and get dirty, because we're pulling all the little stuff out of the paint. We're making it perfectly smooth again. Don't always have to do this, but you can actually feel the clay bar dragging. So when I'm up here, you can see how easily my hand moves. And then when I get up here, it stops. So there's some grime on there. We want to get all that grime off. See the color change in the water? So we want to do that, and then we want to take a clean microfiber, make sure it's brand new because we don't want any scratches. We just simply wipe it off. We check it, and we start over. Fold our clay, get it flat again, quick detailer, and we start working it again. So we'll go over the entire car with this clay bar, keeping it nice and wet. Doesn't take a long time, not a lot of effort, it's just something, last little detail we like to do, especially when a car's been in the shop a long time. You know, we wash our cars, you know, once or twice a week just to keep them clean and keep them up to date, but reality it is, we are a body shop and a paint shop, and we're dirty. And typically the only place I feel resistance is the top of the car. Like, I'm not feeling anything down here, as smooth as a baby's butt. Up here I'm feeling some, just where dirt, dust, grime, possibly just some overspray from, you know, just throughout the months. You guys can actually clay bar your cars too. If you got a car that's been sitting a real long time, after you wet sand and buff it, if you're not, you know, fully happy, you can go ahead and clay bar it out. Just gets all the grime, all the dirt, everything off the paint. It doesn't hurt the paint. Brings everything back to brand new. So this car is actually going home. See our teeny tiny punch list. Clay bar is on it. Other than that, we can get rid of that list. Got the convertible snaps on tonight. Got all the snaps in our boot. That's done. Got the snaps on the interior. That's done. So yeah, this baby's going home. I'm pretty excited though. My son is actually in the paint booth, trying to step him up to the next level, get him a little raise maybe. But I think he's actually using a spray gun, which I don't know if that's scary or not, but he is. Oh no, he's on his phone. I thought he was spraying. We were all excited.
I was spraying.
You were spraying?
I painted my hand, so I had to wash it off.
Well, he was spraying. So we got Cody. Cody's our nighttime employee. He's on the night crew. He's in there getting a bunch of stuff primed up so we can get it wet sanded and blocked out tomorrow. This is another one of our projects. A different bus that we have going on. But we got a couple split window buses in the shop right now, so this is one of them. Obviously we got the 58 Euro Westie going in the Mobile Environmental Solutions. This is another one of our split window buses, and then we got our 60 Jeep Willys. We got that all primed out last night. And yeah, this is another one of our splitties over here. That one's on full TW/VW designs, air ride. That's been fun. This is our next project. This beautiful bay window. All original, body's in great shape. We're gonna be doing a full resto on it. TW/VW Designs will be providing all the air ride for it. We're gonna get this baby as low as we can. It's gonna be a really, really, really cool deep blue with a white top. And yeah, I'm really excited about this one. And then we got that other bay window over there that I don't know when it's gonna be done, but I gotta go back to Clay Bar